Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough how you comment on a Facebook post. That's how you comment on a Facebook post in your back office for OLSP. So this is what your back office will look like. And as soon as you log in, it will take you automatically to your dashboard. It defaults to your dashboard. And basically, you would scroll down. Once you log in, you would scroll down to where it says these are all your products, and you would scroll down to CD or Comment Dominator Pro, or CD, we call it for short, CD Pro. And so you click on Access Product. And when you click on Access Product, anything that's sitting in your inbox, these are the posts that you would comment on. So here I've got one in here, and I thought, let me do a video quickly for you guys. So what you would do, you would click on the post title. So you would go here and click on the post title. So that's what I'm going to do now. And it would take me over to Facebook, where I'm going to comment on the post, on Wayne's post. So as you can see, it's got 375 comments there already. So I'm going to like the post. I'm going to like the post. Then I'm going to comment. But before I comment, I'm going to go and see what the post is all about. The topic is live now. The one-step turn tiny $7 sales into 6K commissions. And so make sure that when you comment, your comment adds value to the post, and it is relevant and makes sense. And like I said, add value to the post. So I'm going to do my comment now around the topic. So I'm going to write, I can't wait to learn this one-step method, right? And you're going to copy it. So you're going to copy it first, and then you're going to post it, right? So as you can see, I've posted mine here. I can't wait to learn this one-step method. And then I'm going to go over to OLSP, and I'm going to go to the right of the title or the right of the link and click on submit. And then I'm going to paste my comment here so that they can see that I did comment on the post, and click create. And that's it, successful. And that's how you would comment on a post to get your commission for a post. It's 25 cents per commission. And let's start again. It's 25 pence per post, per comment. So when you buy your $7 product, you would need to make 28 comments in order to get back your $7. So you would get back basically your return on your investment. So remember, 28 times 0.25, that gives you $7. So that's it, guys, in a nutshell. That's how you would comment on a post. And as you can see, 88 is here. I'm going to refresh my screen, and it should say 89. There you go. My screen now says 89. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it in a nutshell. I just wanted to share with you how you comment on a post. And as you can see here on the notification, you made a comment. Yeah, so it will show here that you've made a comment, and also eventually your 25 cents will be added to your back office. So if I show you this, so now that I've comment on the post, it's now disappeared. And if I click on comments, if I switch the toggle over to comments, so where the white little blurb is, the one that it's closer to, that's what it's on. So now it's on my comments. And when I do that, it's in my it's pointing to my inbox. So I'm going to go back to comments. And as you can see, I've just done this one today. I've been paid up to date for everything that I've commented on. As you can see, commission assigned, commission assigned, commission assigned. So I've got my 25 cents for all of these comments. And now this one that I just did with you is saying pending, right? So eventually, you know, that takes a couple of days. Eventually, that will be, the commission will be paid for that one as well. And that's how you make back. As you can see, I've made $32 so far, and I've only paid $7. So you would say that 7 5 is 35. So I've almost made 5 times my investment. Yeah, I've almost made 5 times my investment, as you can see. So you make back your $7 by just commenting on Facebook posts. Yeah, or commenting on posts, because you can comment on IG posts as well. Okay, but it's mainly Facebook posts that normally lands in your back office. Okay, and that's how you do it. That's how you comment on a post. Okay, guys, so there's nothing that you're going through today that you and God can get through together. You're great, you're awesome, you're wonderful, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. God bless you. Bye-bye.